And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it. I don't want that no for real. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I know little bad, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. What's up, Ray babes? So y'all, new day, new freaking vlog. Welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back, y'all. So y'all, I'm trying out cinematic mode on my camera. Let me know if y'all like this. I kind of like it. I feel like it's a little better quality. But anyways, y'all, I don't want to ramble too much. This is going to be a weekly vlog type of video. I'm about to go to the gym. I need to get my eyebrows done. I also want to look at Forever 21 because they are like going on a business, so everything's like super cheap. And y'all, I booked a hair appointment for tomorrow. This is my sew-in for my birthday, so I'm supposed to be getting like a sew-in retouch, and yeah. And then I have a lash appointment on Wednesday, and I have class tomorrow, y'all. So that's pretty much just a little rundown. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. If you do, make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Was oh my god, super skinny.
But you're still in really good shape.
No, my tummy is very big,
but you're very slim though. Okay, right, babe, so I left the gym. I just got my eyebrows done. They look good. I might go back and have her touch them up, because, well, actually they look good. But usually I get my tint. I didn't get my tint today because obviously I just left the gym. I need to go shower, and you're not supposed to shower after you get a tint. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go back and have her trim these a little bit. But y'all, right now I'm just looking around. I'm in Primark right now. So yeah, that's the update. Yeah. What's up, Ray babes? So y'all, it is hours later, y'all. I had such a good workout. I don't know if I already told y'all, but I had such a good workout, y'all. And then I literally bought so many clothes from Forever 21. Ooh, this one. And then I got this bag too, y'all. I think I'm gonna do a haul on my channel, but I am gonna show y'all some of the stuff that I got. And I spent like $100, y'all, because they're doing like their big closing sale. Everything's like 60% off, and I literally got so much clothes, y'all. But like I said, I just got out the shower. I don't know if I said that already, y'all, but I'm about to go get some Qdoba, because if you know me, you know I usually do have a Qdoba obsession, but I haven't been eating that in a while. And it's like 9 o'clock, so they're about to close. So I'm about to hurry up, go get me some Qdoba, and then come back and study, y'all, because I have class tomorrow. I have an exam, my last lab exam, in my anatomy class, y'all. So that is the update.
This is some visionary shit. Been trying to feel pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Strip a booty with the rack like wow. Never forget you put me on a feeling I never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. Am I smoking anyway? Say don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste a little taste? No.
Not gonna yay. That man hooked me up, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all my bowl is packed, let me show y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all, they was showing love. Let me show y'all. Y'all, look how full the bag of chips is, literally. And literally, look how packed my bowl is. My mouth is literally watering. Y'all, look how full my bowl is, literally. Like, this is full to the brim. Literally, y'all. He did me. Oh, it's open. He got me so together. Oh my gosh. Y'all, he got me so together. The top not even closing on the thing, y'all. But I'm about to go home. I need to be studying because my exam is tomorrow, and there's one more thing that I need to study on. So yes, that's the update. I'm really just about to eat my food, chill, yeah, hopefully go to sleep pretty early. So I'll see y'all tomorrow most likely. What's up? What's up, Ray babe? So y'all, new day, new vlog. It is Tuesday, the day since y'all saw me yesterday, y'all. I just got out the shower and put my face cream on and got dressed, y'all. I'm about to crimp my hair. I'm supposed to have a hair appointment today, but she hasn't texted me anything, so but regardless, even if I do, like, I'm coming as I am because I'm about to be getting a sew and retouch and get this tightened and washed and stuff like that, y'all. So yeah, that's the update. I'm just about to get ready for class, and yeah.
You know I hate sleeping alone, but you said that you would soon be home. But baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling on top, but you're not calling me back. See, I bet you think it's all on track, and you kept it like it's all a act. I'm not feeling, let's go. I think it's time to pause. Let's go.
Alright, y'all, so my hair is done. It literally took so long, but it's 10:50. I'm low-key already running late, so I'm trying to hurry my ass up and get out the door, y'all. I have a lash appointment on Wednesday, and it's desperately needed. Okay, I'm gonna fix that, but yes, y'all, this is my hair. I love these creams. But yes, y'all, I'm about to hurry up and get out the door. Alright, babe, so y'all, I went to class and did my exam, y'all. I think I did really good on this exam, not gonna lie, but y'all, she did end up texting me back. So I'm about to go get my hair done, and I'm literally like 3 minutes away from her. So yeah, that's the update, y'all. I'm finna get my hair done. What's up, Ray babe? So y'all, new day, new freaking vlog. Y'all, yesterday I got my hair done. It literally turned out so cute. I'm sorry I meant to literally film after I got my hair done. It's like every time I get my hair done, I never film after. I don't know why. But y'all, I'm currently on my way to my lash appointment. I am running late because I literally woke up at like 12. And then I checked because I'm like, oh yeah, I have a lash appointment today. Y'all, why is that? It was at 1. So I had to hurry up, get my ass out the house, and rush to my freaking lash appointment. But yes, y'all, I'm about to go get my lashes done. And that is the update, y'all. So yes.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had.
Alright, babe. So, y'all, I'm about to go to my medical term class. This is my last class for medical term of this semester, y'all. I'm just pumping my gas right now, and I forgot to. Oh shit! I gotta put my other earring in. But I forgot to update y'all and tell y'all that I ended up getting a 114% on my lab exam yesterday because I got everything right, including the extra credits, y'all. So yeah, so that's the update, and today I'm about to be taking my final exam in my medical term class. So yeah, y'all, wish me luck.
Your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford.
What's up, Ray babe? So y'all, new day, new freaking vlog. I think the last time I talked to y'all was I was going to like my last class, I'm pretty sure, after I got my hair done. But y'all, right now I'm finna clean out my car because it's dirty as fuck, y'all. Once again, and I actually been doing really good with keeping my car clean. But yes, y'all, and also I'm on my break from school, so I get all week off of school until I start my summer classes next week, y'all. And just to update y'all, I ended up getting an A in my anatomy and physiology class, and I got a C+ in my freaking medical term class because y'all, I missed an assessment and it dropped my grade down. But it is what it is. I'm gonna retake that class one of my next semesters. And then the next two classes I'm taking for summer semester, y'all, I'm gonna start May 5th, and they're super accelerated, so I'm gonna be done with them like June 24th. So that way I'll have the whole rest of my summer to enjoy my summer. But yes, y'all, I'm finna clean out my car, and that is the update, y'all. But oh shit. Pluto, bitch, like what the fuck?
Time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stairs, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here.
Alright, y'all, so I cleaned the inside of my car, and I just took my granny to the store to go get her some snacks. But right now I'm pulling up to Burlington because I'm finna get me some socks, y'all. Oop, what's going on with the lighting? But yeah, y'all, I'm finna get me some socks, and then I'm finna take my ass home and chill. Alright, y'all, so I'm back at home, and I ended up getting this pair of socks, these Juicy Couture socks, all these pink pretty colors, y'all. And then I also got this pair of these Reebok socks with like pink, white, whatever. And then I also got ow, fuck. Hold on. This candle, y'all, and it's called Italian Saffron. It smells so good. It smells like Murray beeswax, the one in the can, y'all, because I think I burnt out my Bath and Body Works candle last night because I fell asleep with it on. But y'all, I'm about to do a load, put another load of laundry in, and make me some dinner, y'all. And really just chill. I'll update y'all. So yeah. What is up, Ray babe? So y'all, new day, new vlog. It's Tuesday, y'all. It's still my off week from school, y'all. Right now I'm about to go and get my oil changed, y'all. I was supposed to go do that yesterday, but I just started my day too late. But yes, y'all, I'm gonna go get my oil change. And after I do that, I'm gonna go to the gym, y'all, and really just chill the rest of my day. I low-key want to see my man. So, damn, what the fuck going on? They got a fire ambulance and all type of shit. I don't know what's going on. But yes, y'all, I uploaded my YouTube video yesterday. Uploaded a short today. I'm trying to stay consistent, get back on my grind. And yes, y'all, that's the update. Yeah.
The tire there is available.
Yeah. So how much is it for like 4 of them?
Anyway.
You know I hate sleeping alone. You just said that you would soon be home. Baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it on top, but you're not calling me back. See, I bet you think it's all on track. And you picked it.
Alright, babe. So y'all, I left the gym. Workout was good as fuck, and I'm feeling even better. But y'all, I just put up to Tropical Smoothie, and Qdoba's right across from that. So I'm about to give me some Trop, and then I'm about to give me some Qdoba, and then go home and chill, y'all, because my week off from school, so I can do whatever the fuck I want to. And I think I'm gonna go see my man later, y'all. So I don't know, but yeah, my workout was so good. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna walk over to Qdoba. And when I go home, I'm gonna put my protein powder in my Qdoba also. I mean, in my smoothie too. Hi. Can I have a bowl, please? Can you mix them, please?
Do you want any beans?
Yeah, mix them, please.
Can I have steak, please? And can I have a little extra of the black beans also? Thank you.
Alright, babe, so y'all, I'm back at home. I'm about to show y'all my food. This is my Qdoba, y'all. I get the same thing as always. I get a steak bowl with hella shit. I'm not gonna explain it because I always explain it and then I feel like it sounds super boring. But yes, y'all, this shit looks so good. And yes, I eat in my bed. But y'all, I'm actually washing my blankets right now. So I just put my first load in. Drinking my smoothie. I put some protein powder in here. And I also have my candle lit. So yes, now I'm just gonna chill and update y'all later. Love you.